I was coming across people on a weekly basis, and still are to some degree, who have what I would call this low-level PTSD that goes back to the pandemic period, and we think, oh, it's gone, it's over, it's done, we've all moved on. But I'm not sure that we've fully dealt with the impact of everything that was. Not knowing whether your business is going to survive, not knowing whether your mail in your mailbox is going to kill you. And because we all went through it, we kind of don't treat it like a trauma, but it really was.
I was thinking about the trauma in my own life, but also thinking about the trauma in the lives of those that we ministered to. And you're thinking, how the heck are we going to live? How the heck are we going to survive? How am I going to pay my staff? But I still think there's this thing of, when can I breathe? When can I move forward? I've still got all this stuff.
There's just been no time to breathe. There's been no point where you can kind of switch off and come out of threat mode and go, all right, everything's okay. All of these things are not just inconveniences. This is affecting people's livelihood, their ability to put food on the table for their family. And where do you go to process that stuff? And so we want to say to Kingdom business people that have been going through this stuff, that haven't had time to breathe, haven't been able to process this stuff, we want to create a space for you. We want to create a space where you can breathe and you can be in an environment where you can process some of this stuff.